In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio stream is not supported. If you're running into this message in Stremio, a simple way to get around it is by switching playback to an external video player. This can help if the built-in player is having trouble opening certain streams. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. First, open Stremio on your device. Make sure you're already inside the app and ready to navigate the settings. Once Stremio is open, look for the settings area. On desktop, you'll usually find this by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. If you're on mobile, open the menu or profile section to access the same settings area. After that, go into the player settings. This is where Stremio lets you control how videos are handled during playback. Once you're in the player section, scroll down until you see Advanced Settings, then expand that section to reveal more options. Some important playback controls are tucked away here, so don't skip this part. Now look for the option called Play in External Player and turn it on. Enabling this tells Stremio to hand off the stream to another video player installed on your device instead of trying to play it internally. In many cases, that's enough to solve the stream not supported issue. As soon as you enable it, you should see a list of available external video players on your device. Choose the player you want to use. If you already have a trusted media player installed, select that one. If a prompt appears asking whether you want to use that player just once or always, pick the option that works best for you. Choosing always can save time in the future, while once is useful if you want to test it first. With that done, return to the home screen of Stremio. From there, open any movie or TV show and start playback again using your new player setup. Stremio should now send the stream to the external player you selected, which can often bypass the original playback error. If the stream opens correctly, then the issue is likely resolved. This is one of the quickest and most effective fixes when Stremio says a stream is not supported, especially if the problem is related to codec compatibility or the built-in player. Thanks for watching.